3 months ago, Allie here started her new role as International HR Manager. And approximately 3 days in, she discovered that her company is expanding. With this comes just a few employment and compliance laws that she has to work through. But when her boss Sarah tells her they're actually hiring people in 5 new countries, there's even more information on local regulations, tax, visas, and work permits that she needs to make sense of. Unsure of where to even begin, Allie did what everyone does when they start a new job and has questions. She Googled it. But with one click, her job got a whole lot simpler. With Expandopedia, Allie can access a complete reference guide to help her navigate the complexities of international HR, payroll, and local compliance. All the information is fully organized in one place. Just click on the countries you need and discover up-to-date facts like working hours, vacation and holidays, health insurance, termination, severance, and more. From there, Allie can browse various HR templates and employee handbooks. And to figure out those confusing tax documents, country-specific forms are easily accessible. To save Allie even more time, she can rely on the expertise of the Expandopedia support team using the self-service portal. Whether in the office or on the go, they are there to guide you through all the stages of the employee lifecycle, from recruitment and onboarding to retention and offboarding. Thanks to Expandopedia, Allie has removed the guesswork from the strategy of global expansion. Now they have 50 new international team members and business is booming. So much so that her company is expanding into 5 more countries. Not a problem. We have the elements to make it happen. Sign up today, expand tomorrow.